Ka wadhi nyime nyaka Ramogi ni Uganda jo Kenya golo paro imedo osuru e nengo modhi gi siling 7 ne chenro ma migawo mar wuoth rango ji ogodo gedo mag apaya. Thoth jo Kenya wacho ni medo osuru biro medo nengo mauta seche ma Uganda jo Kenya osedi kod nengo mar ngima moseidho. Winjane kaka chenro ma kamano dhi nyime gi sani jatend migawo mar yore weche mag apaya pachoka ende Kipchumba Murkomen twak.
Must be a way that you can collect consistent resources for maintaining the assets that we have developed. Our roads have grown over time. In 2016, the last review was done, and at that point in time, the fuel prices, you've been told, was about 93 or thereabout, and 18 shillings for every 93 was able to at least maintain the roads. Now, we're talking about fuel prices of 170, and we are still collecting 18 shillings per litre. The other issue that we need to talk to, I'm sure you've talked up, so the purchasing power of the 18 shillings per litre now is not what was the purchasing power in 2016, considering the cost of tarmac, the cost of materials that are being used for construction, the cost also of labor, and so forth. I'm sure you've been taken through this. I just wanted to buttress them, is that you have, and I've talked about prices. Number two is the growth of the road network. Our road network has continued to grow. We are actually one of the most networked countries in the region, with a total length of roads being in the country being about 239,122 today, rising from 161,451 in 2016. Our roads have constructed their roads. And then because it's the road of Kenya Roads Board to do classification, the county governments that came in 2013 keep it at that standard. Those roads were moved to national government. So the road network kept increasing in the national government. And you can see in Kera that it moved from 19,000 to 28,000 kilometers of roads. Areas to the rural roads managed by national government, so that the county government can also open new roads and maintain them. You have Kenya has now 23,000 kilometers of roads, and you have Kura, which was meant to do just a few